Hindi kayo nag-usap or wala kayong napag-usapan?
Nung first, Mr. Chair, nung first meet po namin, ang pagkakaalam ko wala po. Baka possible po, ang kausap niya po yung ninong ko po.
Okay. But then again, tanungin kita. Sabi mo kanina, you were at this point in time, you were probably, let's keep 2022, you're probably around 19, 20, 20. You're 22 years old. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Pwede ho ba sa akin malaman kung ano po yung alam nyo sa solar business, sa energy?
Hindi po ako yung mismong may alam po sa solar business po.
So bakit kayo nag-meet kung wala kang alam sa solar business?
Again po, yung ninong ko po, hindi po siya marunong mag-Tagalog, hindi po siya po marunong mag-English.
Alright. Pero ang sabi po ni Mr. Roque ay nag-meet kayo sa isang convention and not sa dinner. No? But be that as it may, just want to find out really the first meeting between you and Harry Roque and representing your ninong. Anong nangyari po? Anong company po ito nire-represent ng yung ninong nung nag-meet kayo?
Bali, ang pagkakaalam ko wala pa po. Parang first meet po is parang pakilala po ang alam ko po.
Yeah, pero at least hindi niya kayo imi-meet kung wala siyang interest o wala siyang mag-engage into business, hindi ho ba?
By that nung time na yon, Mr. Chair, hindi po yata ako masyadong... Hindi po ako yung naging translator nung time na yan. So, hindi.
So, anong ginagawa mo doon?
Bali po, nung time na yon, I think galing ako somewhere. Tapos, sumunod lang po ako nung time na yon kung hindi po ako nagkakamali.
Sumunod ka lang?
Nung time na yun, Mr. Chair, bali siguro, other place po ako galing nung time na yun. Tapos hindi po...
Okay, babalikan ko na lang yun, Miss Ong. Dito
Okay
naman
po,
po
Mr.
tayo.
Chair.
Yes po. Mr. Chair, nung nakarang hearing din, Mr. Chair, na-establish nga talaga na you were connected with Lucky South 99. Tama ho ba? In fact, you are the representative, authorized representative ka ng Lucky South 99. No? You were once. Tama ba?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. I invoke my right against self-incrimination po kasi may finan na po silang kaso sa akin ngayon.
Regarding what?
Sa human trafficking and regarding with connection of Lucky South po. Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
but be that as it may, it's already established fact, no? So you were a legal representative, authorized representative of Lucky South 99. Simula po ba nung 2009, familiar ho ba pirma niyo po ba yan? Miss Cassandra? Ikaw po yung nakapirma dyan sa isa sa mga form ng Lucky South 99 noong 2009 na nag-apply ito bilang service provider. Tama po ba?
Parang...
2019, I'm so sorry. 2019.
Mr. Chair, parang hindi ko po sulat yan. Do you have the copy po?
Yeah.
Pwede ko
Pwede
makita.
kong, yeah. Comsec, please.
Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I hope this will not be deducted from my time.
Yeah, it will not be deducted.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, Ms. Ong.
Pwede po magsabi.
Yes po.
Bali po, Mr. Chair, hindi ko po talaga sure if sign ko po ba yun o hindi.
Okay.
If ever sign ko po or hindi, that's way back 2019. So, hindi ko po masigurado. Pasensya na po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, ito yung isang malaking dokumento, isang importanteng dokumento ito, no? Ito yung nagpapatunay na ang Lucky South 99 ay magbibigay bilang isang service provider sa isang kumpanya din ng Kirchner Games International. So, I don't think it's that easy to forget, no? Especially if you affix your signature being a corporate as a representative. But I'd like to ask if we have NBI here, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Attorney Magno is present. Before that, let me acknowledge the presence first of Congresswoman Janet Garin, Congressman Bambi Emano, and Congresswoman Arlene Brosas. Please proceed.
Thank you, NBI. Di ba, part of your work in the investigation of this case is to compare and verify the signatures, is it correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so do you have a doctyloscopy expert in your division, in the Bureau?
With regards to specimen
Signatures,
signatures,
specimen
we have
signatures.
the question document division.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I'd like to probably submit these documents to NBI so they can confirm whether the signature is forged, because we would like, or whether the signature is really authentic. But I do believe this is really authentic because the